the next version of your sonometer experiment, which is dealing with law of tension, that is also called as sonometer 2. As usual, this is your wooden box which is called as sonometer, string passed over with the two knife edges and attached to this mass where tension is given as T is equal to mg. And because of this tuning fork frequency, when you place this tuning fork on the surface of this sonometer, there is vibration in the string between the knife edges and the paper rider gets fall down. Now what exactly this law of tension means for us? See here, if you can see that frequency was given as 1 upon 12 under root of T by M. So N represents frequency, L represents vibrating length, T is tension and M is linear density of the string. Now for law of tension, what we do that this frequency of the tuning fork N and a linear density M are kept constant. Now if N and M are constant, what will happen? Now this expression will be given as N square is equal to 1 upon 4 L square into T by M. Where if we want, we can write down this as T by L square is equal to T और L square साथ में रखा 4M N square के साथ shift होगा, that becomes as 4N square into M, which is equal to constant. That means in this experiment we will be using this relation T by L square is equal to constant. So this is our sonometer, which is a wooden hollow box, and these holes are generated to vibrate the air column. At one end the string is attached to fixed support, and another end it is attached to the hanger, which is passed over to the pulley. Pulley से pass करेंगे, we use knife edges which will be kept here like this way, between which paper rider will be kept. Now in this experiment, sonometer law of tension, we keep frequency of the tuning fork constant. That means we will be provided with a single tuning fork in this experiment, and the single tuning fork what I am using at present, it is of 384 hertz. तो कोई एक ट्यूनिंग फोर्क अपने को मिलेगा 384 हर्ट्ज हमने कंसीडर किया, फिर अपने को चेंज क्या करने का है? सो आई विल बी चेंजिंग द टेंशन अटैच्ड टू द स्ट्रिंग. एट प्रेजेंट आई विल यूज ओनली 500 ग्राम्स, दैट इज द हैंगर इटसेल्फ इज ऑफ 500 ग्राम्स. तो सिर्फ 500 ग्राम्स इधर से पास करना है, and for each and every step, each and every part of this reading will increase the mass by 500 grams. Two knife edges are considered. We'll start with minimum length, because again here you can see that T by L square is constant. T by L square is constant, that means T is proportional to L square. So minimum is tension, minimum should be length. So minimum tension, minimum mass, we have considered minimum length. Start with 5-6 centimeters, not more than that. Length कम ही रखने का है. And then we'll place this paper rider on this wire, on the string. Then using this tuning fork, starting this tuning fork, keep on the surface and slowly we'll change the length. There is a movement in the paper rider, that means it is about to fall down. So paper rider comes down, then we will measure the vibrating length between these two knife edges, and this length is coming approximately is 8 centimeters. So for first phase, mass attached to the wire, it was only 500 grams, and for 500 grams the vibrating length is coming as 8 centimeters. Tension T is given as mg. mg means this 500 is to be multiplied with g, that is 980, and this value actually comes as 490,000. That is, it is 4.9 into 10 raised to 5. Again we procedure repeat the procedure for the same mass. थोड़ा सा वापस नाइफ एज को अंदर लिया. Repeat the procedure. falls down, measure the length, and this time length is coming as 7.6. 7.6 centimeters. Mean of this it will come as 7.8 centimeters. This is your first set of length. For second set of length, we'll use this 500 gram slotted weight and place in the hanger very slowly. झटके से नहीं छोड़ना, बहुत आराम से रखनी है उसके अंदर. Now, so on, the length will go on further increasing because we are increase the tension. Again, same procedure. Strike the training fold, then change the length. Slowly, slowly we will increase the length. So, paper down. Now, if paper rider falls down, the length it is coming as 9 centimeters. So, for 1000 gram, it is coming as 9 centimeters. Tension attached will be 1000 into 980, that is 98000, that is 9.8 into 10 raised to 5. Then again we will proceed with the same procedure, that is keeping the paper rider length थोड़ा सा अंदर ले लिया. Repeat the procedure. Measure the vibrating length between the knife edges. It is again coming 9 centimeters. So sometimes readings may repeat also, 9 centimeters are there. Then these two columns are being filled by this calculation table. So for 4 readings, we have 4 calculations. 4 reading लेने के. First calculation log of t दिया इसके अंदर. Now how to find out this log of t? Now to calculate this log of t, first value of log of t, कितना है log of t? 490000. So log of t means it is coming as log of 49000. डेसिमल के पहले कितना डिजिट हुआ? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means it will be coming as 5 point. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कितना हो जाएगा उसका? 5 points होगा. For Mantissa, we consider only 4900. That is 49 through 0th column and 0th mean difference. So in log table, we can see here 49 through 0th column, it is 6902. So log of t कितना है अपने पास? It is 5.6902. Then log of L. L is 7.8. Log of 7.8, before decimal point how many digits? 1. So characteristic will be 0 point. While taking the Mantissa, we are not interested in decimal point, we only consider 7/8. So 7/8 after that 0 0. The 78 through 0th column, 0th mean difference. In logarithm we can see 78 through 0th column. We don't have 0th mean difference. So value is coming as 8921. The value is coming as 8921. So look at here, it is 0.8921. ये log of L मिला. Next table is 2 into log L, that is 2 into B. इसको 2 से multiply करने के. After multiplying by 2, this is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 1 17, 1 carry, 2 into 0 plus 1, that is 1.7842. Next one is anti-log of 2b, मतलब इसका anti-log लेने का. Anti-log of 1.7842 का मतलब डेसिमल के बाद का anti-log होता है. That is we will search out for 78 through 4th column and second mean difference. So in anti-log table, 78 through 4th column, it is 6081, and second mean difference it is given as 3, it is 6084. It comes as 6084. Characteristic is 1. While taking anti-log we have to add again 1. 1 plus 1 2. That means decimal point will be placed after 2 digits. By default it is at the starting. So after 2 digits means 1 2, it comes as 60.84. So your L square is coming as 60.84. ये पहला L square calculate हो गया. Then we require T by L square also. Let us see here. A minus 2b बोला है. A minus 2. What is the value for A? 5.6902. What is the value for 2b? 2b is coming as 1.7842. Taking the difference, 2 minus 2, 0. 1 carry 10 minus 4, it comes as 6. 8 minus 8, that is 0. Out of 6, 7 it cannot be subtracted. To carry 1, 16 minus 7, that will become as 9. After carrying, it becomes 4. 4 minus 1, that comes as 3. It is coming as 3.9060. While taking antilog, now we will search for this 90th row, 6th column, 0th mean difference. 90th row, 6th column, the value is given as 8054 and 0th mean difference we don't have. So, value is coming as what? 8054. Characteristic 3, after taking antilog, 1 should be added, it will become as 4. So, after 4 digits, we will place the decimal point. 4 digit के बाद decimal point मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes as 8054.0. This is how you have to calculate for second, third and fourth observation also. This is your T by L square 8054. 8054 is kept here. In this way, we will calculate this T by L square for all the 4 readings. After that, we will find out mean T by L square. Mean means adding all the T by L square and dividing by 4 because we have 4 observations. And this T by L square will be used to calculate the unknown frequency of the tuning fork. जो frequency अपने को दिया है यहाँ पर 384 वो calculate करके निकालना रहेगा. Suppose अभी 8000 हम लोग मान के चल रहे हैं तो value suppose 7800 के approximate में आता है. I am considering this value. ऐसा आएगा जरूरी नहीं है, but I am assuming that कि इतना dyne per centimeter square it is coming. How to calculate the frequency? The formula for frequency it was equal to 1 upon 2L under root of T by M. If 1 by 2L is taken inside the square root, that can be written as 1 upon 4L square into T by M. 1 upon 4L square इसलिए क्योंकि स्क्वायर करके अंदर लेना रहता है and that is given as 1 upon 4M into T by L square और ये T by L square इधर से आएगा. Then this frequency will come as 1 upon under root of 1 upon 4 into M. लेकिन M का वैल्यू कितना होगा? तो लीनियर डेंसिटी of the wire, it will be provided to you in examination also. Linear density of wire that is denoted by small m is given as 0.011 gram per centimeter. This value will be taken here 0.011 gram into T by L square is 7800. And after doing this calculation, we will find out the frequency of that unknown tuning fork.